Okay, my 30 minutes of break is done, to be honest. I had a cup of tea and I had biscuit. Now, all set towards Jammu, and Gurugram is almost 677 kilometers from here. The weather is quite spectacular. I can see the clouds over here. So Jammu's weather, if I have to say, is 29 degree over there. Bit cloudy, and 29 is almost pretty warm over there, I would say. Not cold, not hot, but 29 is good enough. Yeah, I can see the outline of the other mountain over there, and it is pretty dark. It might be raining heavily over there, and probably I'll be heading that side only. So I might get rain on my way towards Jammu. So I should be well prepared for everything. So after the snack break, it started pouring, but it was only just for a distance of 5 odd kilometers. I had to wear my raincoat. It's hot over here. Now it's sunny, and let me tell you, I am here at Udhampur city. Okay, now this is a route that I have not taken. While this will actually disconnect me from Jammu. So far I see there are some small potholes and like this kind of bad road condition, but this is the route if you're coming this way. And oh freaks, the road was uneven. Oh my goodness, I was about to fall. Shit, man. And this is a crazy road, man. Now I know why mostly two-wheelers avoid coming this route. Because see, when I was looking at the road, it was showing that it was in the same level. It was completely flat. But as soon as the tire went, the front tire went, I almost lost traction and I was about to fall. Luckily I was able to manage to keep the bike up. Crazy. This is a very different landscape over here. By the way, this is the same Tavi river which I saw in Jammu when I was crossing early morning. The same river, Tavi river. By the way, it's very dirty, to be honest. It's the same water coming all the way from the mountain. So the color is almost orangish, I would say, carrying too much of mud from the mountain. There are these couple of guys who are following me and honking from last 2 or 3 minutes. Let me stop.
भाई यार हाथ में मार दो, आप सुन नहीं रहे यार।
नहीं, मैं भगा रहा हूँ भाई, बोलो।
कैमरा ऑन है?
हाँ ऑन है।
नाम बताओ यार।
ट्रैव मोटो 46।
मेरा भी है चैनल।
अच्छा चलो सही है। ये देखो पीछे लिखा है, आप देख लो।
यार हम बुला रहे हैं आपको, सुन नहीं रहे यार।
हमको लेट हो रहा है इसीलिए हम भगा रहे हैं भैया।
और भी है ग्रुप में बंदे?
नहीं नहीं, मैं अकेला फिलहाल। हाँ
लगाएंगे?
हाँ हाँ
कोई बात नहीं, चलो ठीक है फिर, बाय बाय।
चलो बाय बाय। By the way, this is the lonely patch that I can see, but I can see there are a few houses over here, and the road is, I would correct myself, it's not 50-50, I would say 70% of the road is really bad, and we have an army base over here, I can definitely tell you that, okay, but yeah, the road is really bad. It's completely covered with greenery and kind of a forest kind of thing. Okay, it started raining again. I got my rain liners up, and yeah, to some extent the road is now little bit, I would say, better. Probably I would say it's been 5-6 kilometers. It's good, but you still have these small potholes, so you need to be aware. Apart from that, I'm yet to reach the main express road, not the express but the National Highway 44, I believe. That's the main road, I would say. Just waiting for it to come through. Wow, the rain stopped, huh? Just a few patch it was raining. Oh man, I'm just fed up. Yeah, this happened with me last time as well. The same thing. It was raining for 5 seconds, 10 seconds max to max, and then goes off. Again for 2-3 minutes, then goes off. And I'm literally saying 5 seconds means literally 5 seconds. Yeah. And it used to rain like crazily. But as soon as I was about to reach Jammu, it poured for 45 minutes. Good, handsome 45 minutes. So yeah, so it was crazy. Okay, so this is the place. So we are just came from that route and all the way this side and then here. I guess I'll be climbing a little bit more, and then again there's a ghat section, Galak, and then almost near to NH44. Yeah, it's NH44. Yeah, and this is the view of this place. Really cool, but bad road. Look at this. See, the big trees have actually fallen down because of the landslide. Man, this is pretty crazy, man. Pretty crazy. And so far I would believe the government has less entertained this particular patch of road. That's why, apart from clearing it, I don't think so they have worked on this particular patch. I hope my lens is clean. Yeah. Finally, I have crossed the patch, the worst patch of road. Now I'm going to get connected to the NH44, and the NH44 just lies over here. Finally, I'm here. Pathankot on my left and Jammu on my right. So Pathankot is 45 kilometers, Delhi 535, Amritsar 150. Okay, so the sky is clear, so what I'll do is quickly take off my jacket and especially the rain jacket, and then I will again see you on the road, guys. So right now I'm at NH44 and these are the construction that is going on between Pathankot and Jammu. So you see this flyover, it's almost like a 4-lane road, and later on it will converge to a 2-lane road, and then it will continue towards 4-lane roads towards Jammu. So this is the road which is under construction, and this is the old road. You see, there's another flyover that is being constructed over here. Again, let me tell you, the road conditions over here is not that bad, but certain patch of the road is pathetic. Like let's say 10-20 meters of a patch is under construction, or maybe through loose gravels and everything, but rest of the part is good. It's only where you will find where the bridge constructions are taking place. Yeah, so these flyovers are basically gonna directly take you towards Jammu and bypass the whole city. It will not, you don't need to get down at Pathankot. Majorly you will find the same kind of a plan thing at Patiala and Chandigarh and all these places, Jalandhar. You'll find the same thing on these cities as well. You don't need to enter the city, you will straight away bypass them through the flyovers. So that is what the plan is, and that is what they are doing over here, and this is what the construction you actually save time, and there's less traffic also. So now from here, Gurugram is 560 kilometers, and expected to reach by 9 hours 38 minutes, which is 3 a.m. But yeah, no plans of staying tonight, just heading to Gurugram. That's what my plan is. Right now I've crossed Jalandhar and on my way to Ludhiana. By the way, Ludhiana is almost 50 or 60 odd kilometers. So I think I will take a break at Ludhiana. The last time when I came, I saw this place, the Eastwood Village Outlet Mall, and I wanted to stay over here. To be honest, let's see how cool is this place. By the way, it's too busy, man, just like the last time. Okay, not Ludhiana, but at least over here. It's a good place to hang out, to be honest, but very busy, very busy. Oh, camels, sweet camels. सर जी, ड्राइव थ्रू है क्या यहाँ पर? मैकडी का कोई ड्राइव थ्रू है क्या?
मैकडी का भी आएगा या केएफसी का भी आएगा।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो इधर से ऐसे जा सकते हैं? थैंक यू सर जी। ओके ओके ओके।
One eternity later.
So finally I had my food over here. I took some burgers and was about to enjoy my meal, and but at the same time I saw a guy, I don't know, this brother who was singing over there, and he was singing really nice. Okay, I hope you like the video where he's singing. I took a shot. Just check it out. So after seeing this wonderful performance, I thought let me find a place and have my burger. And I found a place and I was about to eat my burger, and all of a sudden I see these three brothers, maybe in relation or may not be in relation, but maybe a friends. Yeah, probably they are friends. Yeah, so they saw my bike and they approached me, and honestly speaking, they are one of the best people that I have come across. The way they welcomed me and they asked me if I need something, if they can help me with something, or the cool gesture that they had towards a rider, that was really good. It's not about riders, they have a good gesture, they obviously they have that, but the manner they welcomed a stranger in their region, that was really nice. Finally just took a 10 minutes breather. After Jalandhar, this is the third break that I've taken so far. Actually, I was feeling a little bit sleepy, so I wanted to stretch a little bit. Rest everything is okay, bike performing absolutely fine, and we still have one let me see how much, 160 or 130. Come on. (155 kilometers, 2 hours 49). Estimated time is 4:48. Okay. Okay, let's go. It's 4:24 right now. I have reached home. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, and see you on the next vlog, guys. Bye bye.